Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect GoDaddy domain to InfinityFree. This tutorial will be very quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, once you have logged in, signed up to InfinityFree, you want to go to your accounts right here, hosting accounts. And as you can see, I have no accounts yet here. So you need to go ahead and create one, create new account. And after that, you will see all of these plans. So for most of you, you will probably use a free one. So I'm just going to create a free account here. Now you will need to verify that you are a human. Now you will need to choose your domain name. Now, once you will add your subdomain name, I just added this one. All you have to do is add email consent and create an account. Now you will need to wait a little bit for it to load up. Now, once it will be done set up, you will see here on the home page of your hosting account, you will see that you can add a new domain. So you want to click on this one. And now you will have a few options to add a subdomain or a custom domain. So you want to choose custom domain and add it and write down your GoDaddy domain here, just like so. And now after that, you're going to click verify domain. And what you will need to do is add these name servers. So you want to copy these ones, the desired ones. And you're going to go back to GoDaddy and click on name servers on DNS record management. Click change name servers. I will use my own name servers and add them here. So you're going to add both of these, just like so, and continue. Now you can just refresh the page and you will see that the name servers have been changed. Now it may take a little bit of time for it to be verified. Even if you have changed it already, it may not be recognized for a few hours or maybe even up to 72 hours. So what you want to do is go ahead and wait, and after it will be verified, you can definitely add your domain. Once you will wait a little bit, it should be added to your InfinityFree. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.